So here is my 2001 Diablo 6.0. It's been sitting in the garage and it's dusty and relatively dirty, at least for this car. Cobwebs all over the wheels and dust which is somewhat harder to see. So we're going to put this through a little bit of a cleaning cycle with the last coat and the last wash starting off, and see how this thing turns out. We'll start with a little bit of Sonax wheel cleaner. The wheels should be pretty clean, but might as well go through the process properly. As you can see, there is definitely some reaction, so brake dust from God knows when I last drove this thing is still lurking around. So it's time to rinse this thing all off before we apply the last wash. The car's been coated. It has the Kamikaze Zipang coat on it, which was probably applied about a year ago. So given the fact that it's been garage since then, the coating should be pretty much intact. It'll be interesting to see how this thing beads. And we'll, definitely tell there's a strong hydrophobic. Have to be a little bit careful with washing the hood, because this faux oil cooler section is pretty much exposed down to the trunk. You can see the old front license plate sitting in there, so I don't want to fill that thing full of water, so just gentle spot rinse over here and towel off is pretty much what I'm going to do, and try not to get any foam down in there. So here's the last soap. We're going to put it in the IK Foam 9 cannon. Try to approximate their recommendations of roughly 1 to 10 to 2 to 10 ratio. You can tell this stuff is thick. I'll finally manage to get this thing.
After a few minutes of letting the foam dwell, it's going to be time to start putting the sponge to it.
Got that nice esoteric sponge. Well, the shampooing is done. This was a real pleasure to use.
It had a very slick feel to it and was extremely smooth coming off the sponge.
The rinsing is done and the car looks absolutely surgically clean. It was a very pleasurable experience using the last soap. Very thick, sudsy, smooth, and very effective. So far so good, and let's get this thing dried off so we can start applying the last coat. This little guy is about one of my favorite acquisitions in terms of getting these cars clean. It is a beast of a blower, very compact and small, and just does a great job. After you wash the car, this will be dripping out of the door for like 10 minutes. And it's a deal every single time. Just gotta wait because it will keep running out. See how bad it pours out on this side. Wait for it. There we go. Well, other than the door still dripping, the car is pretty much dried off and looks really nice. Well, this one's still slow, but dripping away. We got some sun peeking out. Hopefully I'll get this wrapped up and put it in the garage. Still going. Here's the last coat, V2. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I can't really film and do this with only two hands, but I will see you back when I get this thing all buffed out. And last but not least, we have AMP, which is a new product I am led to believe from the last coat, which just amps up the last coat and apparently gives it a little bit more shine and slickness. And we're going to give it a go. So there it is. There it is, the amp is on, and this car is like glowing in the dark at this point. I'm going to try to get it out in the sun so we might be able to get a better look at the surface, but it is amazing from where I'm sitting. It's almost like molten magma here.
Well, here it is all finished up. This was a roughly an hour of time to get this kind of result. This was a very easy and superior experience, in my opinion, for maintaining what was already a nice painted surface, but could not be any easier, and the results really can't be any better, in my opinion. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.